Hey guys, this is an unboxing of the Google Pixel 9. This was released in late August 2024. This is the Obsidian Black version with 256 gigabytes of storage. This model comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. I think we need to pull these two off. And then we can slide the cover off. Kind of strange packaging to me, but if you know how to open it, then it's easy to do without breaking the cover. So here we have the Google Pixel 9. And it comes with one charging cable, USB-C, and no charger, and it seems that's everything which comes in the box. And let's have a look at the phone itself. It has this paper cover on it, and we have the Google logo on the back. It's this glossy black here, and the sides are matte, so it looks and feels a lot like an iPhone would, but this, of course, this camera part is quite sticking quite much out. This is the Pixel 9, so not the Pro version, so it has two cameras here. With the Pro you would also get the third camera. I think it's the 5x telephoto. Oh, well, it's not really a telephoto, but 5x zoom camera. Well, it's not really a zoom camera, it's a fixed length 5x. So then when you zoom, you will have a bit more range. So I paid 630 euros for this. This was in Finland, and there was a campaign from Google giving 400 euros if you bring a functioning phone. I brought a really old phone which just booted up, and which was basically worth nothing to me. So that I find a quite good deal. I think in Europe you should be able to get this for like a bit over 800 euros. So with that campaign price, I think it's a good and nice price. But if you would pay full price, I think the Pixel phones are quite expensive. Maybe the 8A would make more sense. You get the specs are quite close to this one. But anyway, this was an unboxing of the Pixel 9. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.